As a high schooler, yes, I did. Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here. Clouds and radar showing dry conditions out there, y'all. Happy Thursday. We are almost to the weekend for some of us. Last weekend of summer break. We have several school districts going back to the classroom next week. Live look outside Horseshoe Bay Resort. This is dark and early. Obviously, we're still waiting on sunrise. That is 6:52 this morning. Tough to tell, but there is a little bit of some cloud cover out there. Temperatures are in the 70s and 80s. 80 in Georgetown, 77 getting 79 in Austin, 70s out there in the hill country. High of 100 today. Yesterday we hit 101, so shouldn't notice a big change here. South wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour keeps that humidity up. We've got a 10% chance of squeezing out a couple isolated showers. Hold that thought. Let's talk temperatures real quick because average is 99. So the fact that we're up at 100 degrees today means this is a very normal day for us for the beginning of August. Hard to complain when climatology tells us this is what to expect for this time of year. Looking at that rain chance, 10% or less with coverage. I don't expect the majority of us to get wet. I don't even expect a whole lot added to these showers for those who do get lucky enough to find themselves under one. Few 107 inch at that. The leaning is going to be east of I-35. Hill country, I would not hold your breath on picking up a shower today. I think a lot of this is courtesy of the sea breeze. It's coming up. So the closer you are to the Gulf where the sea breeze starts, the better your chance of seeing some rain, not just today, but tomorrow as well. 10% again for your Friday. I'm going to drop it Saturday. I don't think we're seeing a whole lot that convinces me to put in a rain chance for your weekend. That said, there's a lot of humidity to go around, that's for sure. If we had some sort of trigger, low pressure system, some sort of disturbance, we'd be squeezing this out as rain. But we don't because that high pressure system is still in control of our forecast. It does start to kind of inch its way north and that opens a door for that sea breeze, but it is still too close to us and it's still too big and stubborn for anything to really move much in our 7-day forecast. So each and every day kind of looks and feels the same. Isolated shower possible east of I-35 today and tomorrow. Temperature of 100 this afternoon. Highs in the upper 90s, but again, reminding you the feels like temperature, your heat index value is likely to be about 104 to 106 every day here in Austin. It gets a little worse as you go further east. But even into next week, high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Another chance of seeing an isolated shower or two Monday out east. Overnight lows mid to upper 70s for the next 6 to 7 nights. Let's get you back over to Erica.
All right, thanks, Kristen.